Hello friends, it's Miss Bell, and today we are going to be learning the difference between warm and cool colors. Now, warm colors are colors like red, yellow, and orange. They make you feel all toasty and warm on the inside. And cool colors are your blues, your purples, and your greens because they make you feel cold and think of a cold, snowy day. We're going to gather our materials, so what we're going to need is a piece of paper, a ruler, black markers, oil pastels, and a circle to trace with. So let's get started. Alright friends, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your ruler and your pencil. You're going to turn your ruler horizontal on your paper and use the width of the ruler to make the lines. So what I mean by that is, draw a line right here. I'm going to match up this top part of the ruler to that line. And draw another line. So we're going to keep doing that all the way down the paper. Now, it's okay if we mess up. We can always fix it later. Notice how I'm spreading my fingers apart. That way it's easier to hold the ruler, because if not, you're just holding in the middle, the ruler tends to turn. Awesome. Now, once you got your horizontal lines, we're going to be creating vertical lines as well. So, you're going to get your ruler and find about the middle part of the paper, which would be right here. Draw a line all the way down the middle. Now you have two sections, so what you would do is divide those sections in half. So we'll find it right here. Go ahead and draw a line all the way down. And right here, draw another line all the way down. Now, once we have all of our rectangles, we're going to go ahead and go back over all of our pencil lines with your black marker. So once again, you can use the ruler as sort of a guideline. And now we go to our vertical lines. And we have our grid. So the next thing what you're going to want to do is draw your tree in the middle. So I'm going to go start out with my circle and place it where I want the top of my tree to be. So let's say that I want it right about here. With your marker, you're going to trace around your object. Make sure you can really see your line. And there we have our tree. From here, I'm going to go ahead and make the stump. So, go all the way down here and all the way down. And don't forget your branches. So let's say I want a branch that goes this way, another branch that goes that way, and a branch that goes this way. I'm going to add little ones in there just to give it a little bit more spice. And we're going to color all of this in. Alright friends, now this is where you get to decide, do I want a cool tree or do I want a warm tree? And I think I'm going to do a warm tree. So what I'm going to do is get out my oil pastels. I'm going to pull out my red, yellow, and orange. And I'm going to go ahead and pick at random which block I want to be which color. So I'm going to mark where I want my yellow, and then let's say for example I want these two orange, and then these would be red. So let's go ahead and color those in. Okay friends, so now that I have done a warm colored tree, we're going to do the exact opposite for the background. So that means we're doing a cool colored background. I have my blue, my green, and my purple. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the tree and go ahead and just mark which boxes I want to be which color. This one. I'm going to go with my green. And fill in the rest with purple. Alright, now let's go ahead and color those in. Alright friends, so here I have my two finished examples. I have one example where I did the warm tree with the really cool colored background, but you also have the option to do a cool colored tree with a warm colored background. So it's up to you to choose which one you would prefer. Hope you have fun making art with me today, and let's get started.